Kayla, what you doing?
I don't have AC in here, okay, everybody? Hey guys, come on in. What is up? Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, you already know I'm going to be showing you guys my college dorm room. I'm at Marquette and I'm in a single. This is my sophomore year, so I will link down below my dorm tour from last year. You guys all seem to really enjoy that. Let's just get started. So starting off by the front door, I just have like my keys, my ID, wallet, sunglasses hanging up here, and then we obviously just have the light switch, but that literally does nothing for the dorm, so we're just going to keep it off. And then for some reason I actually have 3 closets. But here I just have my main purse, and then over here, if you come on in, you can just take a little look in there. You know, I just have some clothes, sweaters, toilet paper, you know, whatnot. So pretty much I just keep all like my extra essentials in here that I don't use every single day. And then obviously it's not cold yet whatsoever here, so my winter jackets are in here. I just have like laundry, camera setups, Lauren's backpack. It's all good, but we're just gonna close this one up. And then over here, if you guys remember from last year, I did bring back some of my old decor pieces. So these are just some I got from Target at like the $3 section, and I thought they looked good here, so we went with it. And then if you come this way, this is probably my favorite section of the entire dorm room. Why? Because there's food. This is food, this is food, that's food, that's food, this is food. Food isn't here, food isn't here. There are clothes down here. I just have like socks, underwear, bras, t-shirts, shorts, jeans. They all fit in here really nicely. And then I just have all of my like kitchenware, cups, Keurig machine that's super cute that I use actually more often than I thought. So there's that. And then I just have the microwave, and I had that fridge last year, so I just brought it back, and there's just like, you know, cold stuff, ice cubes. There's really nothing special. Nothing illegal. And then come over here, I just have these other boards that I brought from home, just for decor, calendar that I don't use, it's just for, you know, aesthetic purposes. And then I have these lights that I have yet to turn on. Oh, and then down here by my feet, I just have this rug. It's from Target. That's about it. Super cute. And yeah. Alright, so we are by my windows. They are really hot right now and not blowing any air in whatsoever. But, you know, I have a pretty good view. You know, I see, what do I see? I see Miller Ballpark. I see a church. I see our old crappy dorm, grass, trees, I don't know, nature, the city. Okay, so then over here, this is my desk, but I really don't study here. I study in my bed, not even at the library. But I just have all of my makeup and toiletries, hair curlers, straighteners, my jewelry. This cart is from Michael's. It was like $30. I had a blue one last year, but if you guys can tell, this room this year is definitely more pink, which I'm good with. And then I actually just have a very small amount of makeup, laptop, computer, crayons, books, medicine, gummies, I don't know, you name it. And then up here I just have a fake plant because if you guys remember, I killed one of my cactuses last year. Sorry. Then I have a K because in case you didn't know, my name's Kayla, hence the name double K, 0711. And then I have this letter board, and it says, I was born to be wild, but only until 9 p.m. or so. Because if any of you guys know me and my social life, I think I relate to that a lot. So there's that. And then also over there, the tapestry on the back I had last year, and that is from maybe PBT. I don't really know, I think it's PBT. So over here I have my bed. It is not bunk this year. It is just regular, low to the ground, really nice to jump into. So my bedspread is mostly the same as last year, but I do have just some new sheets. These pillows are from Target, and then that stupid thing. So a little story time about that one. It's fallen every day for the past 4 days that I've been here, in the middle of the night, hitting me with the metal. So we're gonna hope it stays up this time. But yeah, this is my bed. I think it's really cute. It's comfy. It's a twin. I'm used to a full, but it's just me in college, so it's fine. And then as you guys can see, I have these fun little fairy Christmas lights that do change settings. Let's just have the lights here instead of fake wallpaper because the wall was already white. Okay, so then over here I have my closet. This is the same little setup I had last year. Loving my, you know, big closet. But I don't have as many clothes this year as I did last year. Is that a good or bad thing? I don't know. But I just have, you know, the hangers, some little cubbies, other bins, I guess. But it all works out, and it's, you know, very visually pleasing to look at in my opinion. But we're gonna close that up. And then you guys may be wondering, Kayla, do you have to do a communal bathroom? Heck no, I do not. So this right in here is, oh, it's nice and cool in here. So if you come on in, there's a step up, so watch out there. But this is my bathroom. It's not very exciting. It's very small, but you know, shower, sink, toilet, towels. It's a bathroom. I mean, I don't know what else to say. Now there's two people in the bathroom and now it's getting weird, so we're gonna close it. So then this is my mirror where I look at myself every day because I am, what's the word? Narcissistic, self-absorbed, catty, I don't know. What's the word?
Any of those.
Do those all work? I think so. And then this pink rug is also from Target, and so is the rug that was in the bathroom. I think that was the entire dorm room because now we are back at the beginning. So let's do the outro. So that was my dorm room tour. I hope you guys all enjoyed. Make sure to give this video a thumbs up if you guys liked it, and comment below what other college videos you guys want to see from me, because honestly after this I'm really clueless and don't know what else to film. So give me some clues down below with what you guys want to see, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye guys!